the perils of perfection, why being real wins every time. Let's face it, the online world can feel like a highlight reel. Everyone's showing off their best selves. Perfect lives, perfect jobs, perfect everything. But here's the secret. Nobody's perfect. And trying to be someone you're not is exhausting. Authenticity is magnetic. People can spot a fake from a mile away. When you're real, you connect on a deeper level. You build trust. And trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, especially in the digital age. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Share your struggles, your failures, your wins. It's these imperfections that make you relatable, that make you human. And it's this humanity that will draw people to you. Remember, building a personal brand is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on being genuine, on providing value, on connecting with others. The rest will follow. Unleash your authentic self, the foundation of a powerful personal brand. Building a personal brand starts with self-awareness. Who are you? What are your passions? What makes you unique? Take time to reflect on these questions. Dig deep and uncover your core values. These values are the essence of who you are. These values will be the compass that guides your brand. They will help you stay true to yourself. Once you know who you are, don't be afraid to let the world see it. Share your story with confidence and pride. Your experiences, both good and bad, have shaped you into the person you are today. Embrace them fully. Embrace your journey and let it fuel your message. Every step you've taken has led you to this moment. Think about what you want to be known for. What legacy do you want to leave behind? What value can you offer to others? How can you make a positive impact in their lives? What problems can you help them solve? Identify your strengths and use them to serve others. Your expertise and your willingness to help others will solidify your brand and attract a loyal following. People are drawn to those who genuinely care. Remember, your brand is not just what you say it is, it's what others say it is. Their perception is your reality. Be intentional about the image you're projecting. Every action and word contributes to your brand. Be true to yourself, and the right people will gravitate towards your authenticity. Authenticity is magnetic. Sharing your journey. Stories that resonate and connect. Stories are powerful. They have the ability to captivate, inspire, and connect us on an emotional level. Don't underestimate the power of sharing your story with the world. Think about the moments in your life that have shaped you, the challenges you've overcome, the lessons you've learned, the successes you've celebrated. These stories are your unique selling proposition. They are what make you, you. When you share your story, be vulnerable, be honest, be real. People connect with authenticity. They want to know that they're not alone in their struggles. When you share your vulnerabilities, you give others permission to do the same. Remember, your story is not just about you. It's about the people who will relate to it, who will be inspired by it, who will find hope in it. Share your story, and you might just change someone's life. The power of gratitude. Building a community around your brand. Gratitude is a powerful tool for building a strong personal brand. When you express gratitude, you show others that you're humble, appreciative, and genuinely invested in the relationships you build. Make it a habit to thank the people who support you. Acknowledge your mentors, your collaborators, your audience. Let them know that you see them, you appreciate them, and you value their presence in your life. Celebrate your milestones, both big and small. Share your successes with your audience and acknowledge the people who helped you get there. Gratitude is contagious. When you express it freely, you create a ripple effect that spreads positivity and goodwill. Remember, building a personal brand is not just about self-promotion. It's about building a community around shared values, mutual respect, and genuine connection. Gratitude is the glue that holds it all together. Consistency is key. Showing up authentically day after day. It's not just about being present, but about being genuinely you every single time. Building a strong personal brand requires consistency. It's about creating a reliable image that people can trust and relate to. You can't just show up once in a while and expect people to remember you. Inconsistency can lead to being overlooked or forgotten. You need to be present, you need to be engaged, and you need to be consistent in your messaging. This means actively participating and contributing in meaningful ways. This doesn't mean you have to be posting on social media every hour of the day. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Consistency in your routine helps in maintaining a steady presence. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, show up consistently and provide value to your audience. Consistency builds trust and fosters loyalty. When people know what to expect from you, they're more likely to stick around. They become part of your community. They'll come to rely on you for your insights, your perspective, and your unique voice. Your authenticity becomes your strength. Remember, building a personal brand is a long game. It requires patience and dedication. It's about showing up day after day, week after week, month after month, and delivering on your promise. Your commitment will pay off. Be patient, be consistent, and the results will follow. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Teaching and storytelling, establishing expertise and credibility. One of the most effective ways to build a strong personal brand is to position yourself as an expert in your field. This can be achieved through consistent effort and dedication to your craft. Share your knowledge, teach what you know, and use storytelling to make your message memorable. Storytelling not only captivates your audience, but also helps them connect with you on a deeper level. Think about the lessons you've learned throughout your journey. Reflect on the pivotal moments that have shaped your expertise. What insights can you share that will help others? Your unique perspective can provide valuable guidance to those who are just starting out. What mistakes have you made that others can learn from? Sharing your failures can be just as impactful as sharing your successes. Your experiences are valuable, so don't be afraid to share them. Authenticity resonates with and builds trust. Storytelling is a powerful tool for teaching. It transforms dry facts into compelling narratives that stick with your audience. When you weave stories into your content, you make it more relatable, more engaging, and more memorable. Stories have the power to evoke emotions and create lasting impressions. People might forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Emotional connections are key to effective communication. Remember, teaching is not about showing off how much you know. It's about being humble and approachable. It's about empowering others with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed. Your goal should be to uplift and support your audience. When you teach from a place of service, you build credibility, trust, and a loyal following. This approach fosters a supportive community where everyone can thrive. Standing out from the crowd, embracing your unique perspective. In a crowded online world, it's more important than ever to stand out from the crowd. Embrace what makes you different. Your unique perspective is your superpower. Don't be afraid to challenge the status quo. Offer a fresh perspective. Share your unconventional wisdom. It's your unique point of view that will capture attention and make you memorable. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Find your niche. Focus on your strengths. The more specific you are with your messaging, the more you'll resonate with the right people. Remember, you don't need to be the loudest voice in the room to make an impact. Be authentically you, embrace your quirks, and let your personality shine through. That's what will make you unforgettable. Intentionality matters. Building a memorable and impactful brand. Building a personal brand is not just about throwing content out there and hoping for the best. It's about being intentional with your message, your visuals, and your overall online presence. Pay attention to the details. Craft compelling headlines that grab attention. Choose high quality images that reflect your brand aesthetic. Be mindful of your tone of voice and the overall impression you're creating. Think about the legacy you want to leave behind. What do you want to be known for? What impact do you want to make on the world? Your personal brand is a reflection of your values, so make sure it's something you're proud of. Remember, you are the CEO of your personal brand. Be strategic, be intentional, and be relentless in your pursuit of excellence. The more thought and effort you put into it, the more impactful your brand will be. Download the ebook and unleash your authentic brand. Ready to take your personal brand to the next level? Download my ebook and discover proven strategies for building an authentic and impactful online presence. You'll learn how to craft a compelling brand story that resonates with your audience, proven content strategies to engage your followers and grow your reach, actionable tips for building genuine connections and fostering a thriving community. Don't wait. Download your copy today and start building the brand of your dreams. At the Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing.com. It's packed with strategies to supercharge your online presence. Don't miss out. Grab your copy today and start leveling up your brand.